In Health Watch, new advancements for cancer in dogs could help with treatments in people as well. Dr. Timothy Fan, a professor of veterinary clinical medicine at the University of Illinois, is at the forefront of that research. Dr. Fan joins us now with more on the science behind it all. Thank you, doctor, for joining us. So let's start with the similarities between cancers in dogs and cancers in people. What are they?
Sure. I think that certainly there are common cancers that are shared, but there are also different cancers. The common cancers that we really recognize as being similar are bone cancer, breast cancer, brain cancer, bladder cancer, and melanoma, as well as lymphoma. So those are the 6 cancers that are recognized by the National Cancer Institute as high value comparative tumors that affect dogs and also affect human beings.
I was seeing some video here, what looked to be a tumor that you were speaking about in one of those dogs. And we also are hearing that your work is featured in a PBS documentary, Shelter Me, the Cancer Pioneers. So what types of treatments for dogs have actually led to breakthroughs in humans?
So for the Shelter Me series, it's really powerful because it really focuses on immunotherapy. And we know that trying to train the immune system to recognize cancer is really considered the holy grail, right? This is the way that your own immune system can protect against cancer, can fight against cancer. And so we are really trying to pioneer the evaluation of new immunotherapies that are not only helping pet dogs fight their cancer, but actually save lives in human cancer patients as well.
This is all so fascinating. Doctor, the White House, though, has cut funding for some cancer research. How will that impact your work?
So I think that certainly funding for comparative oncology studies is very precious and limited. So any type of cut through to the National Cancer Institute will always have a trickle-down effect. And so I'm optimistic that we can continue to advance science through comparative oncology, and I hope that it won't negatively impact research and advancements that are so necessary to actually continue to save lives in cancer patients.
Well, for those wanting to learn more, there are upcoming showings of Shelter Me, the Cancer Pioneers at the end of the month. Check your local PBS stations for listings. And thank you, doctor, for your work and for joining us here today.
Thank you.